Hi, I'm Bonnie Kemke. Welcome to my studio and welcome to Quilting on a Thread. What I wanted to do today was I've been working on this quilt and taking my Cutie quilters and you along with me on a journey of my quilt. But this is a little bit of an aside to that quilt journey. This is a video showing you how easy it really is to shift a quilt and to rehoop the quilt. This is a king size quilt and it's kind of heavy. So what I thought I would do is just while I'm sitting here ready to rehoop, just go ahead and video this so you all can see what I'm doing. And one of the things that it's important for you to note is that I have a basket over here on the wall. And I use that basket to hold the things that I'm going to be working on my quilt on a regular basis. And I always take my clips and put them there because that way I know where they are. The one thing you don't want to do is be in the middle of rehooping and not be able to find one of your hoops because one of your clips because it's dropped on the floor and it's rolled. It gets to be quite annoying. So this makes it very easy. So I'm going to just start rehooping. One of the things I will tell you is I am not dropping my needle and pulling the machine along, but if I were to do so, it's very, very easy. The machine moves with just a touch of your finger. So if the needle is in your quilt body and you're rehooping, the machine is just going to easily move along with you. So we're going to take that completely out of the picture. I'm not going to drop my needle. And so here I go. I always do it the same way. Let me put you on pause for just a minute and relocate my camera so that it's pointing completely down on the quilt. One moment. Okay, so I've readjusted my camera and here I go. And there you have it. I'm completely rehooped, and I've secured all of my little black elastics, both front and back. And I hope that this will be somewhat useful to you in your quilting and your rehooping. Hope to see you again here real soon on Quilting on a Thread. Bye-bye.